Have you wondered how a war in West Asia can completely affect the fertilizer industry in Asia? A war that is happening almost millions of miles away. Now, if you look at the fertilizer space in India, they make a very complex product called as NPK. N for nitrogen, P for phosphorus, and K for potassium. Now, because of the ongoing West Asia crisis that is there, we have seen a supply crunch in the availability of the most important, material that is there, that is nitrogen. So, how does the war affect production of nitrogen, right? That is an important question, because if you look at nitrogen is derived from ammonia. Now, in order to make ammonia that is there, we need a lot of natural gases, in the production of ammonia. Now, due to the ongoing West Asia crisis that has happened, there has been a blockage of Strait of Hormuz, which has resulted in the lack of LPG or non-availability of LPG, which has in turn affected the production of ammonia, in turn affected the availability of nitrogen, and thereby affecting the entire fertilizer space. The other thing over here is, because the entire Strait of Hormuz is blocked over here, we import almost 80% of the phosphorus and potassium. Now, because of the blockage, obviously over here, there is no availability of containers, which has again resulted in a surge in the raw material prices. So, considering all of these factors, we see that the input prices for the NPK blend that is there, or for almost all the fertilizer space, we have seen there has been a sharp rise in the input prices, which in turn is affecting their margins, right? So, as a result, this year, what you can probably see is a very great set of sales growth numbers, but in fact what you will see is the margins and the bottom line that is there, that remains to be severely affected because of this huge West Asia crisis that we are seeing.